Oh, I'm mid-fight, alpha fight. There were two characters left. I started this node full health, okay? This is where I'm at, okay? Getting absolutely hammered by two guys. Two. Just two with my full team. Yeah, they're not, they don't have a ton of players on them. They're all free play on lock, except, well, obviously, Fire and Wolverine. But look at this fucking bullshit right here. Look at this. I had him about half dead, and then he was stunned and everything, and all of a sudden, he's just out of it, and he's all healed up, and I was, absolutely handing it to my team. Just handing it. Because I'm probably going to retreat out of this and try it again. But this is insane. This is insane. Look at this. Look at how overpowered, ridiculously broken these characters are. Just two characters. Two characters. They forever have safeguard or like immunity and safeguard. We're going to retreat. This is crazy. Stuff, sorry. But look at this. Look, that's what's left. That is what is left. This is my team. Yeah, they're not really super strong, but I mean, this is crazy. Like, maybe I'll try this one going after Penny instead. I don't know. I mean, is it even worth it? This won't do anything. It won't probably blind. It can't be blocked. I don't know if that's really gonna help though. I don't know. Let's try this. What happens? If that helps at all. Can we stun him? ISOs, yeah. Like, I don't get this. Why don't I get the striker ISO hit? Okay. Now doing that second might have been better because now we can actually. Maybe now we can actually do some damage. Hold on. Wait. So hold on. There we go. Look, there we got it. That's crazy though. That is so crazy. So crazy that they were able to just come back. And then it wouldn't do the ISO attack. We'll keep going because I want to see what else is like. This is crazy. I don't even know if my team's strong enough to finish this. Like, I think this is where they usually got killed before, but only. Sorry, I didn't even do a proper introduction. Obviously the alpha whatever. I think these are a joke. I think this team is terrible. I think they're a damn joke. I think that Cpt Britain is a joke. It's new low for Scopely. I think that they've crossed the line. I think they have the chance to make it right. Sorry, I realized the sound was on. Anyway, what I've been saying recently was that, about Cpt Britain, the unlock method, I think it's just absolutely ridiculous. It's out of control. I think Scopely has reached an all-time new low with this. Yeah, I mean it's really really bad. I don't know if everybody really quite gets how bad it is. But I mean it's really really bad. I mean they're trying to force everybody to spend, but the problem is that I don't know that they're really doing anything here, because all they're doing is pissing off the population, because they're probably not going to make more people spend than what they would normally spend. I think the spenders will have already spent whatever money was required. So you got no extra money there. You might have made a few extra dollars here and there, but I don't think it's going to compare to what you'll lose in the long run. So yeah, I really think that they need to change things. Also, I'm going to add to that. I've always been a huge supporter of the player's voice. When it first came out, I was so happy. I was so thrilled. I said, finally, we have like support. Like, we actually have like come together, and we can show Scopely like, look, hey, we like to make this game work together. But that said, like, you can't be doing this craziness. And and these are the steps that we can take if you decide that you think it's right to do all that type of craziness. And I'm sorry, like, I don't understand why we're not executing those powers now. Like, I feel like we should have set up a mass strike, a mass spending strike, a mass blackout day. I don't know, change names in solidarity, anything. Like, come on, let's do something here. But I don't know. It's just terrible what they're doing, and I think it's absolutely unforgivable. Yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Put your thoughts in the comments. Because I'm interested. I think pretty much everybody's pissed. I'm pretty sure that almost everybody's pissed. Obviously the spenders, the whales, they don't care because it doesn't affect them. So it's us, free to play adjacent, late spenders, even mid spenders. Like, man, who wants to spend like $500 on this? Come on, that's crazy. Like, what are we doing here? I don't know. But yeah, I would love to know your guys' thoughts. Are anybody thinking about quitting the game? Seriously, is anybody? I want to know. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I thought about it. I thought that maybe this was the final straw. I don't know. So it's pretty crazy. Speak of. So, usually I get to go before he does that. That kind of stinks. Well, let's, I guess, do that. I really want to rewind one of these guys over here. Oh, good. Those, Iron Patriots are rocky. I feel like this team needs like a res or something like that. Well, if they lose somebody, it's like a wrap. That's about it. I mean, Yeah, wow, you're doing pretty well on this node so far, but I'm sure once the rest drop, it's gonna be a different tune. So, let's see. Yeah, you get some ills going. Come on, finish them off there. There we go. Nice. Get some energy. Uh, yeah, it looks like a good target. 5. There we go. Double kills. Stun CGR. It's alt over here. Ah, dang, that could have been better. All right. Oh, wow. This is actually going my way today. How about that? Let's see if we can actually clear out this lane. So I think my lane partner is tapped. Woo! Oh, getting close. Oh, here we go. All right. I think we'll make it. Let's do it. Let's hit everybody here. Boom, boom. There we go. Awesome. Look at that. Wow. Okay. How about that? So, let's see. Are we at... Yeah, all right, cool. Well, I guess we were able to clear out the lane, but, you know, guys, again, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, let me know your feelings on Captain Brexit. I just, you know, with everything they've been doing lately, you know, they said that, oh, out of time and Capole won't be needed on the same in the next legendary. They lied. Went right back on that. You know, it's the other thing is if we don't get them to change, it's basically giving them. It's basically like saying, hey, you know what? We don't even care. You know, I mean, or we don't care enough to do anything about it. You know, to try to enforce it as best we can. And they'll just keep doing it. They'll just keep doing it. We have to do something to try to get them to change it. I don't even know what. But like I said, you know, some actual ideas, you know, everybody change their names in solidarity. Schedule a mass blackout day. You know, let's, you know, pick a day where nobody logs in the whole day, you know, or maybe a few days. I don't know. Spending strikes. I'm not spending anything. It sucks because I usually just buy passes. That's what I buy. I buy passes, and even without the passes, you know, I can feel it. I can feel the difference. So, but anyway, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know, and have a great day. See you next time.